So here's how you use the Scribble outline function inside of an assignment in Scribble. So you'll just click the create button and get going, and then you can outline in here, and sources that you've highlighted in this in the library for this assignment will show up over here so that you can use them as quotes. So we'll say this is my introduction, and we hit enter, and it'll create a new thing. And then maybe I want to write out my thesis statement exactly so I have it, but I want that inside the introduction. So then I just click this, move over, and it'll make a sub point. And then if I want to bring it back, I can just move this over again. Oh man, why did it do that? That's weird. So then hit enter, and then let's say I want to delete this one. I just get rid of that, and then I can bring this one back out, and maybe this will be body paragraph number 1, and then I'll have the main point I want to make in this, which is texting and driving kills innocent people, right? So then there's that, and maybe inside that paragraph I want to have a quote. So then I can come over here, and let's say I really like this quote. I can pull it over, and then there it is, right? And it's in there. And maybe I want to do a different quote. I can pull this over and put it in there. And then I can bring this back, and maybe I want to create another subpoint in here, but I want to bring this over, and then this is going to be my analysis of this quote, where I'm going to go through and I'm going to discuss what this is all about. Every time you hit enter, it's going to make a new bullet point. But this is a really great way to outline your essay, and then you have this, and you can always go back and kind of look at what you want to write and in what order you want to do it in. Hopefully that helps.